In this video, you learn about the 10 tips to give your business more clarity so you can 10x your profits faster. My name is Huynh, your Lion Marketing Coach, and in this channel, I'll teach you how to make your first $100,000 in 12 months as a coach. So let's go. Let me begin by this. Do you have a business plan?
Do I really look like a guy with a plan?
What is a business plan? Well, you have to have a business plan before you start a business. Let me clarify. A business plan is simply a game plan of how you intend to take your business from zero to hero. What are the steps along the way that you need to do to take your business to the heroic point of making money profitably and consistently? So here are 10 things you need to ask your business to develop a good business plan. And remember, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. And I know if you're running a business, nobody plans to fail. Business plan question number 1. What is your company purpose? How will you define your company in one narrative? And trust me, this is harder than it looks. It's really hard because you start listing the features of what your business does rather than the overall mission of your business. To give you an example, my industry is marketing, and sub-niching, I do digital marketing on social media, and to niche it down further, I do Facebook marketing. However, that isn't my mission. My mission is that I believe that every one of us here are lions in this digital jungle called social media, and that some of us has forgotten our roar, and it's my job to remind you of your roar and how you can express your inner message and inner story to attract clients and therefore build an online business as a coach. You see, that is my mission. And therefore my mission has affected the way I market my brand. You can see I talk about lions. You can see that on my YouTube channel banner has a lion there. Everything is about alpha lion and displaying this alpha spirit animal I call the lion, which I use as a metaphor to express my messaging. Business plan question number 2. You need to describe the pain of your customer. What are their shortcomings? What keeps them awake at night? What are your current solutions to this customer? Remember, you cannot serve everybody. You cannot be everyone's best friend. You need to niche or niche down. What is a niche or niche? Well, the best way to explain it is a niche is an inch wide but a mile deep. When you niche down, you are very specific. For example, if you're in fitness isn't a niche or a niche. It's an industry. A niche is that you probably focus on busy mums. Busy mums that need fitness regimes to get healthier and return the vigor back in their life due to post-pregnancy. Now that is a niche, and that's easier to solve a problem rather than solving a problem for the entire fitness industry, if that makes sense. Business plan question number 3. What are your solutions? Have you had past testimonials, past results for clients, or past results for yourself? What can you provide on a platter as a solution for your prospect in solving their problems? And why is this solution unique to you and not others? Why should people buy from you and not others? And how do people consume your solution? Is it coaching? Is it an online course? Is it an online course plus coaching? Is it face-to-face coaching? Well, obviously with COVID-19, no more face-to-face. Is it Zoom coaching? Is it group coaching or one-on-one coaching? You need to define what is the spectrum of your services that you're providing as a solution. Business question number 4. Why now? Why are you doing this now and not 6 months later or 12 months later? Why are you doing this right now? What is the urgency for you to come into the market to provide your products and services? You gotta understand that nature hates a vacuum. So I wanna ask you, why haven't you built a solution to this problem before? What prompted you to develop this solution to this specific problem right now? Is it a problem? Do you think it's a problem? Have you verified that this market will respond to your solution? Is it a problem at the moment? Business plan question number 5. Is there an existing market for your products and services? How big is that market? For example, for the fitness industry, it is a present market. There's a market called the fitness industry. So you gotta ask yourself, is it an existing industry, or are you gonna create a new industry? Maybe you're developing undies for astronauts. Maybe you're developing a new technology that's not out there at the moment. Maybe it's a booster pack for flying cars. Well, the thing is, flying cars is not invented yet, so maybe you're a bit too early in producing that new product that you're launching towards the market because there isn't a market for that. Business plan question number 6. Who is your competition? Who is your direct competition? Who is your indirect competition? Can you list them out? Your direct competition is people who are directly competing with you. For example, fitness industry. If you're a gym, then other gyms will compete with you. Indirect competition is that if you're doing a gym that does weights, that has machines for weights, and is a 24/7 gym that people can go in and gym, versus down the road there is a F45 cross fitness training that has no machines. That is an indirect competition because people will go to that CrossFit center than your gym. So you got to think about that. Business plan question number 7. What is your business model? Are you a single operator? Are you a partnership? Are you running as a company? Maybe you're doing a joint venture with another person. How is your business model structured? How many directors? How many shareholders? Are you giving out shares? Or maybe you're just operating as a solo person. What does that business model look like? Business plan question number 8. Do you have a team? Do you intend to build up a team? Obviously, without a team, you cannot scale your business. So a lot of business owners, they look at the first 1 year operation of the business. They don't look at the second, third, or fourth, fifth year in terms of scaling the business higher and growing the business. Obviously, you can't do everything on your own, so you need more hands on deck to complete more tasks for you in a given day so that you could scale your business and sell more products and services so your business grows. Business plan question number 9. Have you worked at the financials of your business? Have you done a cash flow statement? Do you know how much cash is going to come in the first 6 months of your business and how much cash is going out? Are you going to make a profit? What is your fixed expenses? What are your variable expenses? For example, fixed expenses is rent. You got to pay rent if you have an office, or you have subscription to certain services that you have to use to sell your services. Variable expenses are eating at restaurants, buying clothes. That's related to the business. It's decisions that you can make or not make that determines your business overall. Do you know those 2 types of costs? And how will the profit of the company cover those costs so that you still have a net profit? Number 10, very important. What is the vision of your business? Now, I'm not talking about the mission of your business. I'm talking about your 50 or 100 year plan of your business. What does your business look like in 50 or 100 years if you could think that far ahead? You might start off your business, for example, I might be doing marketing now, but in 50 years, I might be a conglomerate media agency like Gary Vee. Who knows? I might be flying someone towards the moon like Elon Musk. Who knows? What is that vision of your business? You got to think about it so that you can structure your mission statement towards your vision, and your overall strategy of that will be molding towards that vision of your company. So those are the 10 tips I've given you guys. I hope you find so much value in that. My name is Quang Huynh, your Lion Marketing Coach. Please remember, we're all lions. It's just some of us has forgotten our role. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. If you want more videos like this, please drop a comment if there's any other business plan questions that you should ask your own business. Please give me clarity on what questions are you asking yourself for your own business. I love to know, and comment back. Catch you later.